Blackwater. Ganda ng pasa. Layup na naman para kay Andrade.
And the pass coming from Bradwin Ginto. And if you're a big man, you're always looking for cutters, slashers on the way to the hole, especially if you're drawing defense towards you. And you're the big man.
Fort Batang Pierre, ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa komperensya. Meanwhile, JB Bahio patuloy ang magandang pinapakita coming off the bench for Coach Jong. Umaatake sa gitna. A spray to the corner. Ayon-ayon converts from deep.
That's the first three-pointer scored by Blackwater. Ayon-ayon.
Napasa naman papunta kay Andrade. BJ, stop and pop three. It's gone off the bank.
That's a three-point shot. Galing kay Andrade. That's 9 points na para sa kanya. And NLEX playing without ball.
Kevin Alas, maagang atake, nakiraan sa bandang kaliwa. 2 puntos para kay Kevin Alas.
And a timeout quickly here by Blackwater. And you watch this move by Kevin Blackwater, rebounding by committee, especially in stopping those incursions inside the shaded area for NLEX. By the way, NLEX...
Nakanakaw na naman. Fajardo is ahead and he is gone.
Wide open. So that three-guard combination of NLEX doing great guns para sa kanila.
Assistant coach Borgia Hermida, naging mabagal ang kanilang simula because they were being too tentative. So they just have to stick sa kung ano naman ang kaya nilang, alam nilang gawin within their system.
Umigay ng 3, step back, long 2, pasok yan. At kahit na pa maganda ang naging simula itong Blackwater bossing dito sa ating third quarter. Ayon-ayon, all the way.
What a breakaway here for Blackwater. They've done a better job defensively in this quarter. Also a better job in getting rebounds. Ito naman yung the ball around the perimeter.
Oh, what a find. Bahio to Semerad.
Talking about the motion offense. Yun, nakita natin. Nakawala si Semerad. And Bahio.
Pasa nahulog kay Kevin Alas. Binalik niya kay Policarpio sa ilalim.
3 points now for Policarpio. Good find by Kevin Alas.
Andrade, sumugod sa gitna. Yung kanyang layup pasok. Meron pang foul na masusungkit. Itong si BJ. Andrade, JB, bumihit, nakiraan sa ilalim, mintis yung tira, kanya pa rin yung rebound. Kontra sa tatlo, hahanapin si Fajardo, pero nakapag-angat pa rin ang tira. Itong si Domdom.
Fajardo getting another bucket now with 10 points.
60 lang ang magmadali na nitong Blackwater. Casio sa ilalim, Ginto with a strong bucket inside, but with only 23.9 seconds. Numinipis na to.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro tapos